Today we have put the diff locks in both front and rear axle, and we are testing that today. How does that work? So let's see. Oh, that was a big rock actually. Yeah, come. Enough space. That's it. Hang on. Let me get out of the way.
Yeah, just check with the rocks at the front left there.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you can go more. Go more. I think that's it. Now you can come. No. No. Yep. Give it a go. Hang on. It's sitting on the rock actually. I'll click a.
If I drag it forward, it's not going to smack. Like, what's
It's going to scrap the rock.
Yeah, it's just scraping.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Okay, you are out of the danger now.
There's a rock there.
That's a log basically. Tree log, I think. Yeah, it's a log, just a log. Yeah. Now, if your diff is working, then you should be able to lift yourself up.
I want to get over more.
Same story. Good one. You'll fall. Your left, your side will fall. because your tire was not on the rock. Ah, that's a big one. Maybe I should put a rock. So this time with the diff lock, we were able to climb this big rock very easily. And now we are
I'm just worried about that tree. Edging towards the tree.
if you want, you can go back as well a little bit.
That might be better. It's not going to want to climb that.
Yeah, it's too high actually.
Back now.
No, it's too high. It's more than half the size of the tire. I think you should be fine now. I put that rock in the front wheel. Yes. Towards me.
Made it.
There's that tire is hitting a rock. So yeah, if you come towards me with full diff. You're slipping there. Yeah, if your rear tire lifts a little bit. No. Okay. Oh. Let's see. Hang on. Okay, wait. I can put that slider again. Okay. We get out at the cost of your board. It breaks into two pieces. So should be fine now. Straight now.